On top of this one, let's just write the word pictures. It's not the best title, but maybe it's one that's going to work. Maybe I should call it math pictures. And basically what we're looking at is, the book calls it interpreting pictures of fractions, decimals, and percents. Let's just write fractions, decimals, and percents. And when you see these pictures, really you should be thinking, you're going to use, as Mrs. Stone says, your resources, and your resources for this one is your fraction circles. I think it'll be pretty simple for you. For example, if you see this picture of a square that's cut into 4 equal pieces, and one of them is shaded, they will ask you the question here. Right, they'll say write the fraction, decimal, and percent of the square that's shaded. Write the fraction, decimal, and percent of the square that's shaded. It's a nice looking square. Remember, I told you the secret to drawing good shapes is to pick your pencil up every time you draw a new line. Don't make your square like this, because then you get these little round corners. Make a nice square corner. That's great advice, isn't it? Anyway, getting back to this. How do I know what fraction of the square is shaded? You go back to your infinite knowledge of fractions. When you have a fraction, the denominator, the bottom number is what number? Sam? Yeah, how many squares you cut this big square into, and that was 4 of them, right? And the top number is what part of that you want, and I want the shaded squares there. And Jonah says the shaded part is, how many shaded ones are there?
1.
1. So we're partway done with the fraction, or the problem here. 1/4 is shaded. How do I know what the decimal for that is and what the percent is? That is where you've got your handy dandy little piece of note paper there if you don't know. I'm sure maybe some of you already know what 1/4 is. What is 1/4 as a decimal, Ethan?
0.25.
Correct, 0.25. You don't have to put that 0 in front, that's fine. And then how do I know what percent that is? Brady?
25%.
Right. So there are all your percents, your decimals, and your fractions. Which would mean if you're Brady and you're in the gym shooting free throws, you're probably only going to make 1 out of 4, so your fraction you make is 1/4. Percent is 25%. I've not watched you. Are you saying it's more than that? You thinking you're 4 for 4?
4 or 3 or 4.
Really?
What did I say?
How about this one? This one comes out of the book. They give you, say I've got 5 circles. And the other thing I would caution you is please make sure you read problems very carefully, because this is where some people, especially the ones that go really, really fast, no names of people, please. Sometimes speed is a virtue. Give the fraction, decimal, percent of the not shaded circles. of the not shaded circles. A lot of times you see that and automatically you're starting to think, well, 3 are shaded, but that's not what they ask you. They're asking you for the not shaded ones. So what would be my fraction of circles that are not shaded? I know it's tough. Leo?
2/5.
2 up?
2/5.
Correct. There's 5 total circles. 2 of them are not shaded. There's my fraction. What decimal would 2/5 be? And again, I doubt whether you know that right off the bat, so that would be a good time to be having out your little circles to see what 1/5 is and then put 2 of them together. Please don't say it's 0.25. Sometimes I see kids do that. Oh, there's a 2 and a 5 there. Let's just put 0.25 because there's 2 and 5 there. Chloe says, look at your 1/5 and then put 2 of them together. What's the decimal for 1/5? That's why you have your fraction circles, people. That's why you should be looking at them if you don't know. You don't guess.
We don't have 1/5.
Well, maybe that's why you don't know. Wow. Does this come out of the book? Oh, you know what? It does come out of the book, but they don't ask you what decimal and percent is. They just ask you what fraction it is.
Oh.
So you really can't tell me, although some of you. John, what are you saying it is?
0.4,
And how did you know that?
because 1/5 equals 0.2.
How did you know that?
I just know, I guess. Oh, wait, no, because a nickel is 1/28 of
And then it's 5 cents.
Yeah, 1/5 of a dollar. If you take a dollar and cut it into 5 pieces, how many cents would be 1/5 of a dollar? 20 cents, right? So don't worry about that. John, what about percent? You know percent of that?
it's 40%.
It is 40%. But again, don't worry if you don't know that because they won't ask you that because you don't have that fraction piece. I just saw the circles there and thought they would ask you that, so we'll do one more. How about this one? I really should. I should follow my own rules. That would be too easy. Too easy. Look at that. How about this one fraction? This one I know you got. I hope. This would be my free throw shooting percentage. Left-handed. What fraction is shaded? Let's do that first. What fraction is shaded? Count how many total squares. Count how many of those totals are shaded. Brennan?
3 cents.
Yeah, there's 10 total squares, 3 of them are shaded. What decimal is 3/10? Lilia? 0.3, because 1/10 is 0.1, you put 3 of those together. And what percent? What percent is 3/10? Hayden? Okay, don't take your little circle pieces out. 1/10 is what percent? 1/10 is what percent?
1/10 is 10%.
So if you have 3 of those, it's how many? 3/10?
30%?
Yep.
That's what I thought.
Oh, don't be afraid. And then what if I asked you what the not shaded one is? What fraction is not shaded? Ephraim?
6 cents.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7/10. What decimal is 7/10, Kevin? 0.7. What percent is 7/10? Ethan?
70%.
70%. Now notice, just as a point of emphasis, if you take the shaded and the not shaded together, what percent do you get? Olivia? Right. That would be the whole thing. 100% is all of that. So in basketball, when they tell you to give 110%, technically that is